Yeah, you know what time it is. This your boy Manolo. You know what I'm saying? I got my son with me, Lil Rosie. You know what I'm saying? About to spit some of that gangster shit for y'all. And then I'm going to come right behind him. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't like the shit, then fuck you, nigga.
I'm Lil Rosie. I keep it 100. I just want to say that because I got to take it 100. I'm real. I keep it real with y'all. I ain't got to say it. I just want to say it because I ain't got nothing to do. Put this on YouTube. Ain't got nothing to do. We posted it. We posted it. We shared it. We like it. Then comment at the bottom if you like it. And then like it. And then do whatever you have to do.
Yeah. Yo, I got the pistol in my holster, cause I'm a motherfucking soldier. Stay blowing doja. Nigga fuck around with me, he gon' get shot on my motherfucking block. 300 block, that's what I claim. Fuck around with me, holla tip in your brain. You know a nigga like me is so insane. If you fuck around with me, I will put a sucker in your brain. I'm a real dude, I know to keep the tool. And if you fuck around with me, you gonna be a fool. Yeah, nigga, and I'm from the south side. We ready to ride, blow big fat blunts, and we stay fucking high. If you fuck around with us, I got a big gun and I'm known to fucking bust pussy, nigga. So try that. I put something in your motherfucking starter hat. And if you fuck around with me, you gonna get introduced to this get. I don't give a fuck, my nigga, cause I'm known to get through shit like that. Yeah. I got that pistol in my motherfucking holster, cause I'm a real ass fucking soldier. Nigga, if you fuck around with me, you gon' die. And let's believe, nigga, you gon' get burnt like fire. And nigga, I don't play with a pussy nigga. Fuck around with me, I'ma bust off in that trigger like I'm busting nuts all on your bitch. I don't need no freestyle, I don't need no beat, cause I stay killing shit without a motherfucking beat. Best believe when I come up on the set, your girl be like, damn, who that fat nigga like that? I told her it's your boy Manolo. Put this dick all in your gut so you know it's time to go. Holla at your boy.